Welcome back to Rustic Rimfire 22. Alright guys, what's going on? We're out here at the range today. Got a couple targets set up out there at the 50-yard line. And we'll be shooting the T1X, which I haven't got out yet, but I'm trying to get this accomplished real quick before the other folks that are here get up here to start talking. So we're going to be doing Lead Fever's Landfill Terminator, trying to run the barrel out to 1,000 rounds. We did a little research and was watching Lead Fever with that. The gun's not liking me, or my rifle's not liking me very well right now. We just cleaned the chamber at 200 rounds, and we're at about 275, and it's not shooting very good. So it's, I don't know if it's, I'm hoping it comes out of it. I know this rifle here is about 250, 300, and it's done. So we're gonna try it anyway. We're gonna run it out to 1,000 and deal with it. And then I got the other one, the identical rifle. So once this one gets to 1,000, we're going to test this one against the other one with a fresh, clean barrel and see where we're at. But hang on a second and I'll get you guys on a scope cam here. Alright guys, sorry about that, but we've got a few sighters down there shooting Lead Fever's Landfill Terminator Target. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Get one more sighter. Looks like we might still be going a little high. Make a little adjustment there. Alright. Close enough. Let's see how many rounds I got in there. Alright. Let's get on the crow, or the crow. I think it's a crow, or chicken. Top of the fence, left side. Next one down. Looks like it'll plug. Get that rat. Go up to the rat there to the right, just above that. We'll have to look at that one. I don't know if that's going to plug or not. Get the other crow on the fence. Rat below it. Crow to the right. That's a clean mess. Like I said, this thing's not shooting the way I'd like it to, but we're gonna let it go till it gets to that 1,000 rounds. Looks like that might plug for a body shot. Pass red on the fence. Go low. And get on that bonus. There we go. All right, let me go down and grab it and get it scored up. All right, guys, we're back at the house here. Got Lead Fever's Landfill Terminator Target. Did pretty well with it. Got a 10 on the crow, 10 for this crow, 10 on the rat. Got him in the ear, dead plug. Got him in the lower chin or jaw there for 20 on both those. 10 on the crow up here. We missed this one. Got 10 on this rat. 10 on the crow here. We missed that one. So we missed 2 out of those. Did pretty good though. I was happy with it considering. Like I said, told you guys my barrel's not very happy with me right now. We're trying to get up to that 1,000 round mark, and we're just now hitting about 300, and it's not happy. So, but we did get the bonus up here on the sun for 20. So we got a grand total of 120. But definitely a fun little target, you know. Might try it again, see if we can ace it and get all the heads on them. But it'll be a minute because we got to get this barrel figured out, and I'm probably gonna have to find me a new place to shoot. So, but anyway, I appreciate Lead Fever for sending me the target. Let me try it out. Definitely fun, and hope you all had a good weekend, having a safe week. Appreciate you watching, and be safe out there. We'll catch you next time.